In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable sign language mode in Microsoft Teams. This feature is designed to make meetings more accessible and comfortable for people who use sign language by keeping interpreters or key participants clearly visible on screen. I'll walk you through the steps slowly and clearly, so feel free to follow along in your own Teams window as we go. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app and sign in if you're not already. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see an icon or menu labeled More, often represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Go ahead and click on More. This menu is where Teams stores additional tools and settings that don't appear on the main toolbar. When the More menu opens, you'll see several options. From here, look for the option called Settings. Click on Settings to open the main settings panel for Teams. This is where you can customize how Teams behaves, including notifications, devices, and accessibility features. Inside the settings panel, you'll see a list of categories along the left-hand side. Find and click on the category labeled Accessibility. The Accessibility section is specifically designed to support users with different needs, including visual, hearing, and interaction preferences. Opening this section will show you tools that can help make your meetings easier to follow. Within the accessibility settings, look for the option related to sign language mode. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. By default, this toggle is usually turned off. To enable sign language mode, simply click on the toggle so that it switches on. Once it's turned on, Teams will start prioritizing signers' video feeds, keeping them in consistent, prominent positions on your screen during meetings. After you turn the toggle on, take a moment to review any additional options that might appear, such as choosing preferred signers or adjusting how video tiles are displayed. These can help you fine-tune the experience so that interpreters or key participants are always visible and easy to follow. That's all you need to do. By turning on sign language mode in the accessibility settings, you've made your Teams meetings more inclusive and